At this point, PA Sensitive Cream Mist is the main character in this Samu movie. He just takes, the trophy. It's his main character. It's hypoallergenic. It has hyaluronic acid in it. It has ceramide, and ceramide is good for skin barrier, for strengthening it. It's hydrating. It's quick absorbent. And on top of that, it's good for all skin type. So if you have sensitive skin, it's good for you. It helps you. It's lightweight. It's hydrating. And baby, and it's convenient. You just take it everywhere with you. Just put it in your purse and go on. Leave it in the car and go on. So yeah, thanks for watching, y'all. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. And get it. Bye, y'all.